this is Amy from Custom Vinyl Decor, and this is my beautiful daughter Alicia. She's going to help me with getting this big decal up on my wall. It is a scripture from Psalms 93:4, and it says, "Mightier than the waves of the sea is his love for you." And I thought this would be a great thing to go right here in my main hallway for my family to see every day. When you have bigger vinyl decals like this, we make these all the time, you're going to want to have a couple of people helping you. It does take a little time and a little patience, but with that you can get a beautiful vinyl decal up on your wall, and it will just add so much to your home. So we're going to demonstrate how to get this up on the wall for you. The first thing you're going to want to do is to peel the backing off. With something this big, you're going to want to lay it out on the floor or on a table and put it face down so that you can peel the backing off at an angle, and that should let your design stay on this sticky transfer tape. One thing I like to do as well before I start peeling is I will scrape this so that the vinyl really will be sticking to this transfer tape. So that is how you're going to get this started. Okay, now that we got the backing off, we just barely pressed it down in the corners to make sure it's straight. And if you do that and you see it's not straight, as long as you haven't scraped down the vinyl, it's very forgiving. You can usually peel it up and reposition it. So I'm going to start in the middle and work my way out with scraping it onto the wall. And you will get bubbles in your transfer paper. That's okay, that's coming off as long as you get your vinyl on there straight and don't have the bubbles in the vinyl. It will be just perfect. I'm going to pause this while we finish it, and then we'll show you how to peel off the transfer tape. Okay, we've got this on, we've scraped it down, finished scraping it down, and we're just going to start peeling it off. Sometimes these skinny parts will try and peel up, and that's okay. You just work with it with your fingers, take your time. This is not something that needs to be rushed. So as you can see, it comes off really easily. We like to peel it off kind of at an angle, and that really helps to keep the letters on. Here's one that's trying to come up a little bit, so you just use your fingers to push it onto your wall. Okay, we've got this up on the wall, we finished it. We have such a great team of ladies that cut and ship our orders, and we love them. They work so hard and do such a great job. We are human though, so every once in a while we might miss a tiny little piece that was supposed to be weeded out, and so that happened with this one, and I just wanted to show you what you can do if that happens. Right here is a little piece in the middle of the end that was supposed to come out, and you can see the cut lines, and I know it's hard for you to see on my video, but I've just taken a little straight pin here from my sewing room. And what you can do is just barely prick the piece that's supposed to come out, and it will lift right off and come right out. So if you get something like that, it's no big deal. You just find a little pin and just prick in the middle, close to the edge of where it needs to come out. Don't prick your design, but just the piece that needs to come out, and it'll come right off. And you don't even have to pierce all the way through it. You can just do it just enough to lift it up and then peel it off. So I hope you enjoy this video. Come visit us at CustomVinylDecor.com to order yours today. We have this in so many colors and sizes, as well as hundreds of other vinyl decals. We are also available to help make a custom decal if you have a design that you would like. Thank you so much. Have a great day.